Have you ever stopped to consider the importance of open source software and the people who create and maintain it? This software is the unsung hero of our tech world, a vital resource that powers innovation in corporations globally. Yet, paradoxically, the very developers who breathe life into these projects often lack the support they deserve. They pour their talent and time into crafting and maintaining these digital masterpieces, only to watch companies benefit without giving back. Recent surveys by Tidelift reveal a common thread. Maintainers are overworked, underpaid, and underappreciated. More than half of these digital craftsmen receive no compensation for their labors, leading to burnout and disillusionment. This isn't just about fairness, it's about the health of our tech ecosystem. This lack of support has led to some serious consequences, as we saw in the infamous XZ incident. The XZ incident serves as a glaring example of the issues faced by open-source maintainers. This software project, like many others, was run by a dedicated individual who felt increasingly overwhelmed and behind on his work. As the strain took its toll, he ceded responsibility to another user, Tan, who then introduced a backdoor into the software component. This incident not only highlights the vulnerability of open-source projects due to maintainer burnout, but also the potential risks they pose when infiltrated by malicious actors. It's a stark reminder of the critical role these maintainers play in safeguarding the integrity of open-source software. Yet, despite their invaluable contribution, more than half of these maintainers remain unpaid. This lack of support places an undue burden on them, often leading to burnout and potentially compromising the quality and security of the software. Despite the clear need for support, the private sector's response has been largely inadequate. So what can be done to support these unsung heroes of the tech world? Well, many open-source developers have turned to crowdfunding platforms like LiberaPay, an open-source platform specifically designed to financially support these digital pioneers. Others have found Patreon to be a viable route, offering subscription-based support to sustain their work. GitHub, the very platform where many of these projects live, also serves as a hub for donations. Developers often incorporate donation portals on their project pages with links to payment services like Stripe, PayPal, or even more casual platforms like Buy Me a Coffee. But it's not just about the money. Spreading awareness about the invaluable contributions of these developers and the challenges they face can also make a significant impact. In the end, it's about creating a more sustainable ecosystem for open-source software, a world where these developers are not just appreciated but adequately supported for their tireless efforts. It's time to give back to the open-source maintainers who give so much. Your support, whether it's financial or simply spreading awareness, can make a world of difference.